Halo semuanya, aku Mirsa Musarela. Selamat datang kembali di channelku. Di video kali ini kita akan bermain game yang bernama Tiny Bookshop. Salah satu game cozy yang akan segera rilis dan tentunya dengan grafik yang sangat unik dan menarik. Game ini masih demo, yang kita mainkan ini masih demo. Jadi kita lihat gimana gameplaynya. Let's go. Today is the day. I've packed up my things, leaving everything else behind, for a quiet life by the sea. Wah, grafiknya benar-benar bagus guys. Tiny Bookshop, Waterfront Square, Monday Summer. Oke, jadi sepertinya kita adalah orang yang mengendarai mobil ini, dan kemungkinan kita menyusuri jalan di daerah pantai ini dan memilih untuk menjual buku di pinggir pantai. Oke, coba kita klik ini untuk klik. Oke, ini untuk membuka kargo kita. Oke, nah benar kan? Oke, ini di toko kita ada 3 buku tentang crime, habis itu drama, kemudian ada fact, kemudian fantasi, klasik, kids, buku untuk anak-anak, dan juga travel. Oke, ini sepertinya pelanggan pertama kita. Halo, selamat datang di toko kecil kita. My, what a sight. You must be the new bookseller. I've heard so much about you. Wow, ternyata kita sudah terkenal, jadi lumayan terkenal mungkin ya. Jadi si nenek ini yang bernama Tilde, dia katanya pernah mendengar tentang kita. Coba kita tanya. What and how? Oh, don't worry, I have my source anyway. Dia tidak mau mengatakannya guys, jadi ya sudahlah. Dia cuma menyambut kita di kota kecilnya. I thought you might need someone to show you the ropes around here. I am Tilde. I used to run the local bookstore here before my retirement. Lovely to meet you. Ternyata Tilde ini punya toko buku di kota kecil ini, tapi dia sudah pensiun guys. Let's see, you should know that a Bookstonians have very particular taste in book. Oke, dia menjelaskan orang-orang yang gemar membaca buku punya taste tersendiri terhadap buku. Oke. I, for example, prefer to read classic and crime novel and not much else. Oke. Seperti si Tilda ini, dia lebih menyukai buku yang bergenre crime novel dan juga buku-buku klasik. So why don't I have a look at your selection and see if I can find something worthwhile. Oke, dia mau cek buku-buku kita guys. Oke, dia ambil yang crime 1. When a customer find a book, they will keep looking for more. Oke. Sepertinya dia akan mengambil yang klasik. Nah, Sadly you didn't have the right book. Oke. Ada yang klasik tapi mungkin judulnya atau dalamnya yang bukan yang dia cari. Oke. Even though you may have book of the right gender. Ya kan, benar kan? Walaupun genrenya benar klasik, tapi ada kemungkinan bukan buku itu yang dicari karena mungkin di dalamnya bukan yang dicari oleh customer nantinya, guys. Oke. Whether people actually take one home depend on your sale chance. Okay. You can check your sale chance at any time by hovering over the game. Oke, kita bisa cek seperti ini. Sale chance-nya 16%, kemudian yang ini 22%. Oke. The sale chance show the odds that someone might find the book like. Okay. Because the chance is based on how many book you have in your shop. It decrease you run out of a book throughout the day. Managing to sell that last book of the genre is the mark of a great book seller. Oke, sepertinya dia mengambil yang crime-nya. Jadi crime book kita berkurang 1, guys. Sisa 2. Oke. Thank you Tilde. Oke, kita ada kedatangan orang lagi. Ternyata padahal ini gede loh sale chance-nya 43%, tapi masih belum. Oke, ada lagi. Oke, dapat 1 yang travel, 2 yang klasik, the film adaptation. Oke, cuma 2 sepertinya. Hi there, you're the bookseller, right? Fern. Oke, sekarang namanya Fern. I see you already talked to Tilde. Did she know everything about you already? Oke, dia menanyakan apakah Tilda mengetahui kita, guys. Namanya ini si Fern. Dia cowok berkacamata, sepertinya kutu buku. Dan ilustrasinya juga ini benar-benar sangat-sangat menarik sekali. She does that. Told me about the review before I'd even started my job there. I'm talking about the book's Thornbury Review. It's the local paper. Yeah, sort of write for them. Oh, dia sepertinya wartawan, guys. My name is Fern Estrada. Glad to meet you. Your arrival is kind of the only interesting thing that happened around here in a while. Oke, jadi karena kita buka buku atau toko buku berjalan, jadi orang-orang di kota ini sedikit tertarik untuk melihatnya, guys. So you have to adjust my noises, but it's sort of my job to write about you now. Nah, ternyata kita ya mau diwawancara sepertinya, guys. How about you help me out by answering a few of my question, and I'll give you a free subscription in return. Okay? You might appreciate the event calendar, and people often sell used book in the classify. Okay. For the record, what made you come to the book Thornbury? Searching for where I belong, wanted an adventure, need an escape. Coba ini. Wanted an adventure. Ingin berpetualang. Oh wow, I kind of feel the same way. I hope it worked out for you. Okay. And what's your first impression of the town so far? Very windy, friendly. Yep, friendly. Because kita sudah bertemu dengan Tilda yang sangat-sangat friendly. Don't worry, it really is. People may be meddlesome, but they only have the best intention. Okay? Thanks so much for the little interview. I really appreciate it. And I promise you'll have your first copy of review by tomorrow morning. Okay. I have a look at your selection. If you don't mind, see you around, Fern. Okay, thank you. Oke. Ini tinggal 9. Oke. Buku fact kita terjual lagi. Dinosaurus and other processing lab. What a record. Oke. Adventure atau traveler kita dijual lagi. By the train through Spain, just what I need. Wah, mudah-mudahan ini tembus nih 3. Nah, bener kan? Toward a new architectural, I love the film edition. Oke. Ini rekor guys, 3 buku terjual. Terima kasih bapak-bapak pelari maraton. Oke, karena sudah malam, kita harus menutup toko buku kecil kita, guys. Books Thornbury review. Oke, kita sudah mendapatkan reviewnya. Tiny bookshop rolls into Books Thornbury. Report on the going on around town. Oke. You can check today's and tomorrow weather. Oke, kita bisa cek cuaca. Oke, jadi sepertinya kalau hujan kemungkinan akan sepi. Oke. Oke, ada event today, tomorrow, Tuesday nggak ada, berarti Saturday, weekly flea market. Oke. Berarti kalau ada event-event di kota itu tertulis di sini, guys. Oke. Here you can see the money in your pocket. Oke, uang kita 63 gold. And all the book you own. Oke, ini buku-buku yang kita punya. Yang krem sisa 2, drama tinggal 3, klasik tinggal 2. Oke. And sorry, look like they're running a little low. In the classify section, you can acquire used book to replenish your stock. Let's give it a try. Just click on the way. Oke. Coba kita buka. Maybe valuable. So many book laying around. Maybe valuable. Vintage kids book. Tapi kids booknya kita udah banyak. Ada 7. Jadi jangan yang ini dulu. Use book a lot. Book lot. Everything must go. Yang ini 0. Kita ambil ini dulu. Oke. Kita dapat 5 buku fantasi, kemudian 5 buku crime, 3 buku travel, 6 drama, 3 fact, 3 klasik, dan 2 kids. Oke. Dengan harga 0 gold, sangat-sangat menguntungkan, guys. Seasonal. Oke, kita juga bisa beli dekorasi ternyata di sini. Coba kita beli kaktus dulu dengan harga 0 gold. Oke. Okay, let's give this lonely cactus a new home. This is your item bar. From here you can open the newspaper and customize your bookshop. Okay. Click here to customize. Okay. Ini sudah ada. Oke. Coba kita tambahkan. Oke, kita tambahkan kaktus di sini. To remove an item, simply klik OK. Oke. Kita bisa chat juga, guys. Now click the bucket onto what you want to paint. Look for a while dot or use the icon. Okay. Now click the bucket onto what you want to paint. Gimana nih caranya, guys? Bagaimana caranya? Now click the bucket onto what you want to paint. Look for a white dot or use the icon above the bookshop. Min. Okay. Once have satisfied your interior decoration, click this button to save. Oke, kita dapat folding table lagi. Guestbook. Oke, kita cat ulang dulu, guys, tokonya biar terlihat semakin menarik. Oke, sepertinya segini sudah cukup menarik. Oke, shovel kita punya satu. Kemudian standing. Nah, oke, kita taruh di sini. Ini di sini. Ini di sini. Hanging. Oke. Kita lihat lagi books. Crazy, dangerous, furniture, plant sudah. Oke. Sepertinya sudah. Kita confirm. Welcome to Books Thornbury. Each day you can pick a location to visit on the map. Oke. Kemungkinan nanti ada beberapa lokasi yang bisa kita jadikan tempat untuk membuka toko buku kita, guys. Seperti yang di Waterfront Square, kemungkinan nanti akan bisa terbuka mungkin di kota Thyme atau Borroway Hills. Oke, tapi untuk sementara hanya terbuka yang di Waterfront Square. Oke. Going to a location has a travel cost, which is based on your daily expense, as well as parking fees on the location. You unlock more location as you go. For now, let's pick the Waterfront Square. Okay. These are the book in your storage. Select a genre by clicking it to start stock. Okay. Oke, kita taruh ini di sini. Itu boleh. Abunya sudah, yang klasik mungkin ya. Drama. Oke, kita tambah drama 1. Kemudian you can remove book from yourself. Oke, kita bisa. Oke. Coba kita buat dia tertata rapi. Oke. Crime. Oke, crime. Klasik. Kemudian drama. Oke. Kids sudah ada, travel sudah, crime, fact, travel, kids, crime, drama, klasik, fantasi. Oke, kita taruh fantasi lagi satu. Kemudian yang fact 2, travel 2. Yes, oke. Kita sudah restock. Yeay. Toko buku kita dengan chat barunya, guys. Did you notice you can look around a location? Oke, klik mouse kemudian drag to the move. Oke. Kita bisa menggeser, guys. You can interact with things by clicking on. Kita bisa interact dengan sesuatu. Boy. Kita bisa mendapatkan item, guys. Oke, cuma segini. Seem like the telescope is out of order right now. Okay. The coastal wildlife of Bookstrom Die. Coba kita read. Most of the board is taken up with illustration of the marine animals native to the local bay. Oke. Berarti ini papan tentang binatang-binatang yang ada di daerah sini, guys. You recognize a moon jellyfish with a 4 purple circle. Dari located. Oke, plankton. Ya, semacam papan deskripsi atau pengumuman lah. Tapi di sini isinya tentang hewan-hewan yang ada di Waterfront Bay ini. Oke. Saatnya kita membuka toko buku kita, guys. Open. Untuk hari ini buku drama sale chance-nya 35%. Oke. You can also buy book and item while out. Okay, but they will be put onto your storage where you can access them on the next day. Okay, jadi kita bisa beli item atau buku kapan saja, tapi dia akan masuknya ke storage dan kita baru bisa restock keesokan harinya, guys. Okay. Sudah ada kakek-kakek berbaju ungu yang datang ke toko buku kita, guys. Selamat datang, kakek. Ada yang bisa kami bantu? Silahkan lihat-lihat bukunya. Waduh. Terima kasih sudah melihat-lihat, kakek. Oke, jadi game ini ilustrasinya benar-benar sangat menarik, guys. Oke, kita kedatangan Tilde lagi. There you are. I want to commend you on how much you've been livening up this place. Oke. I'm sure you'll want to branch out to the other place in town now. My friend Mary owns a very successful cafe in the town center. If I call her up and get her to give you a parking space, you could get quite a few visitors. Oke, coba kita coba. Good call. Yes, I know, dear. You can always trust me on this sort of things. It's decided then. Meet me out by the Cafe Liberté as soon as you can. Oke. Jadi tempat baru sudah terbuka, namanya Cafe Liberté. Kemungkinan di sana mungkin akan lebih ramai karena di tengah-tengah kota, guys. Okay, go to the cafe and speak to the Tilda. Oh, and while we're on the topic of showing your face, I heard our dear Walter was quite impressed with your wagon. He's one of the local fisher. Okay. Salah satu nelayan, sepertinya dia penggemar mobil wagon gitu, guys. Why don't you go over there and introduce yourself? He should be back from his recent catch just now. Oke, ini dia. Introduce yourself to the Walt, the sailor. Okay. You might want to write this down, love. Having an organized diary will come in handy to use this. You know what? I still have quite a few unsold journal. Okay. So here, why don't you take this one? Okay. Kita dapat jurnal, guys. You make a good use of it. Goodbye. Thank you, Tilde. Okay, you got a journal. Open it and at any time to check on your progress. Just click the journal in the camera. Okay. Oke. Di sini ada progresnya. A windy walk away overlooking books from the bay. It's quiet. You can track which genre you have sold. Oke, di sini ada buku apa yang bisa kita jual di sini. This is the total number of book you sold. Check the back here for hints and events as you discover more. Look like this bag. Hold little posts. It's time to mark your more. Okay. Oke. Jadi ini di jurnal ini kita bisa cek quest-quest apa yang belum kita kerjakan, guys. Oke. Kita dapat 2 stem. Itu yang tadi. Kemudian ini. Oke, kita baru bertemu dengan 2 karakter, Tilda, Fern. Kemudian nanti kita akan memperkenalkan diri ke Walt. Oke. Kemudian di sini on this page you can see all of the different item and di sini item-item yang sudah kita punya. Dan buku-buku. Kemudian ada tanggal dan ada event-event, kemungkinan ini akan ada di sini. Week Flea Market. Hampir setiap Sabtu ada weekly flea market. Ada summer bonfire. Terima kasih. 2 buku sudah dijual. Tilda mengambil 1 buku. Si Fern datang lagi. What are you doing here? So I assume you'll be at the beach like everyone else. I'm so sorry, I already forgot that you are new. You just seem to fit in so easily. I'm so sorry. Here, I'll show you how to get to Far Beach in case you want to drop by there soon. Kita dapat Far Beach lagi. Visit the beach 3 times. Jadi itu questnya. Jadi kita bisa dapat quest dari NPC, guys. Coba kita introduce to Walt terlebih dahulu. Ahoy there, kiddo. How's it going? Stamp collection Ahoy Matei. Look like you got a good sturdy vessel there. I have some old item lying around which I thought you might like it. See if any of it is to your liking. Kita disuruh beli guys, tapi mahal-mahal sekali. Square boy, don't be a square boy, my boy. A special boy for a special someone. Ada. That's all. My friend tell me you've got some decent cargo on board. They've been especially enjoying your travel and classic novel. Guess I have to be careful or I might be outsold by year. Why don't we make a bet? If you can make 20 sales to my buddies, I'll admit defeat. Oke, jadi kita dapat quest, kita harus menjual 20 buku. Oke. Itu competition gitu, good luck. Oke. Sudah berapa buku yang kejual? Sepertinya oke, ini baru 2 3. Wah, ada si Gugu guys. Stray dog. Hello. This little stray seem a bit hungry. Oh, kita juga bisa dapat quest dari anjing liar guys. Throw the dog a treat. Would you like to pet the dog? Yes, coba kita pet dulu. Oke, kemungkinan nanti kita bisa membeli makan di cafe ya. Oke. Oke, karena sudah malam kita tutup saja dulu. Look like some item have been discount. Oke, ada diskon. Now maybe wait and reach someone. Session now. Have a much slower turnover, so there's no need to hurry up. Oke. Ini ada diskon. Ini $5. Coba kita beli yang Grandma Old's book dulu. Oke. Farbits, oke. Ini kita harus membayar ya. Ini oke, kita gantung di sana. Oke, drama dan juga travel meningkat ya. Oke. Oke, kita tambahkan di sini. Yang ini drama. Oke. Oke, kita travel kita taruh di sini. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oke, sudah semua. Kemungkinan di bawah kita taruh travel, karena travel dan drama chance-nya gede guys hari ini. Oke. Gameplaynya cukup menarik ini guys. Ada quest-questnya juga, kemudian NPC-nya juga lumayan banyak. Oke, coba kita lihat dulu apakah ada item yang bisa kita ambil. Ternyata tidak ada. Kita bisa cek ini. Oh, oke, ada patung di kolam air mancur. Oke, kita buka di sini. Your bookshop can also be impacted by unexpected source, such as the weather, visitor, or special state. You can always read up what something does by looking at tool tips. Oke, sepertinya Tilde datang. Nah, benar kan? There you are. Oke, kita questnya yang ini sudah. It seems like Mariam has her hands full with the cafe again, but I'm sure she'll drop by later. Now I have something you might help me with. I've been cleaning out my old shop for moon now, selling the small piece at the flea market. This Saturday, I'm trying to move the more bulky item to the market. Help an old bookseller out, will you? Kita disuruh membantu si nenek buat cuci gudang, guys. They'll fit well into the little wagon. Okay. Just pick them up and bring them with you to the market on Saturday. Oke, jadi nanti hari Sabtu kita harus mengambil barang-barang di tempatnya si Tilde. I owe you and I'll make sure there will be lots and lots of customer in it for you. Okay, thank you Tilde. Sometimes people will ask for help if they can find what they are looking for. Okay, click the bubble to help them. They won't wait forever. Okay. Listen closely to the people request and try to pick up on what kind of book they are looking for. Pay attention to how cared certain part of their request. Something can be optional while others are really important to your customer. People also leave some of their like and dislike on site, so make sure to put yourself in there. Some requests may also be harder to fulfill than other. Okay, sini difficulty-nya. You can check the difficulty start here to get how many books in your. Okay. More difficult as your stock dwindle throughout the day. Now let's look for a book that might pique their interest. Click to this book. Okay, so dear, anything I haven't read yet. I could really use something with a political message, and I am trying to read more from female author. I really enjoy Valperga. Political. Maria Ferreira. Troglodytes don't bite. No. Important info about the books. Okay, the short description. Okay, this one is okay. Jadi kita harus cek satu-satu, guys. Female PC, no. Gamology, a study in Rabi. A nerd, that secret of the dazzling gemstone. No. Le Corbusier, known as designer of brutalist building, this collecting project. Political message ya dia. Saint Brookstone, the myth, the legend, the truth, the most brilliant writer and philosopher of his time. Aha, Pennington. No. The Willow is gothic horror. No, ini fantasi. Classic, The Haunting of Hill House. Shirley Jackson sih sebenarnya cewek. In the tense horror classic, a group surrounding an expert of toko. Bukan. Henry V. Shakespeare's next Henry must prove his. William Shakespeare, no. Persuasion. Get a second. Jane Austen. Love when her ex faint. Oh, bukan. The Lighthouse, The Ramsay Family, Virginia Woolf. The Ramsay family spent the summer on the sky. A young painter observes the tension. No. Drama written by the author when she was bukan sih. Ini Kids sudah pasti bukan. Crime, a thrilling mystery about a regular woman descend into a life of crime, betrayed by love and framed by the mafia. Tracy. Ini kemungkinan The Murder at the Vicar and the most essential murder, Jane Miss Marple, the Queen of Crime, on a typical English murder mystery. Prepare to the chill to the bone of the journey into the collection. Holly Jackson sudah turun. Kalau travel nih hiking berarti bukan. Down Under udah bukan. Kemungkinan ini ya guys ya. If Tomorrow Comes, thrilling. Dia mystery, life crime, tapi di sini ada pengkhianatan, framing by the mafia. Coba kita cek yang ini. This one. I'm not sure this has much of a political message. Looks like you did not manage to find something for this person. For now, they're down shopping, but maybe they'll come back another time. Ternyata bukan guys. Better luck next time. Okay. Oke, si Fern ini datang terus guys sama Tilda. Jadi customer langganan. Oke, ada help. I'm looking for a non-fiction book and I would mind a book that include animals. However, I have never really understood poetry. I could find anything at a library. Non-fiction. Berarti fact. Maybe you notice that some book can show up across different genre. This doesn't impact how a customer perceives that book, but you can use it to recommend book in genre where your customer might not have been looking. Okay. Troglodytes don't bite. What does life look like in total darkness? It's much more boost. I don't know. Thing from worm to snail, spider, crustaceans, insect, fish, amphibians. Oke, ini ada nih. Patient, no, animal study, like the myth, the legend, the truth, the most brilliant writer. Try this one. Okay, great. You might have just found someone favorite book. No problem. Inspire customer whenever you successfully recommend it. This happen whenever you successfully recommend a book. Okay. Oke, dia nambah bookshelf-nya 15% guys. Jadi setiap kita berhasil merekomendasikan buku, dia ada buff-nya. Oke. Cukup menarik. Oke, penjualannya langsung kencang guys. Ini buku klasik kita sudah habis. Yang lain sisa 4, 3, 5. Yang paling banyak tuh travel guys. Wah, ini rekor sih penjualan. Oke, ada yang bertanya lagi. Dreadful weather, give me something very niche. Also, I'm not put off by dry book. The Stone of Venice is one of my all-time favorite. Dreadful weather, give me something very niche. Also, I'm not put off by. Ini nggak mungkin. Ini The Willow, classic follow. Put off by dry book. The Stone of Venice is. Oke, sepertinya itu fantasi guys. Bukan travel juga. The Martin is a classic sci-fi short story. Explosions on Mars by yes. Not dry. In the second book in the Foundation, the force of evil and The Willow, the wonderful twist gothic horror classic follow two friends and feather. The Stone of Venice. This other one, antara ini atau ini guys. The Last Battle. Coba yang Narnia deh. Really? This is why too popular? Sorry. Wah, lumayan susah guys menebak atau memberikan rekomendasi buku kepada pelanggan. Oke. Thank you for playing our demo. Oke guys, jadi seperti itulah gameplaynya. Ya, gamenya sangat menarik. Dari segi grafik juga gambarnya sangat unik. Kemudian cozy tentunya. Suasana kota kecilnya di pinggir pantai sangat-sangat kental sekali guys. Kemudian NPC-nya juga ada banyak NPC. Terus ada quest-quest juga. Kita bisa dekorasi mobil kita. Kemudian restock buku. Ya, banyak hal yang bisa kita lakukan di game Tiny Bookstore ini. Dan sangat recommended untuk dimainkan. Jadi oke guys, sekian untuk gameplay kali ini. Mudah-mudahan kalian enjoy dengan videonya. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe bagi yang belum. Aku Mr. Mozzarella. Bye-bye.